Hello, students, and I welcome you all to the class of Moral Science. We begin with a new chapter that is Strive for Excellence. You will read and understand the fascinating biography of a very influential person whose name is Steve Jobs. The objective of the lesson is it's important to work with positive qualities as it will lead you to a successful life. You can also be successful if you have high self esteem and know your worth. Students, excellence is not being best, it is doing your best. You should have the will to win, desire to succeed, urge to reach. Yes, these are the keys that will unlock the door to your personal excellence. Steve Jobs was one of the most successful, influential innovator and a great motivator of his generation. He is the founder and the CEO of Apple. He has headed many successful products such as iPhone, iPad, iPod, and iMac. His goal was to make the best devices in the world. In one of his inspiring speeches at Stanford University, he said, I never graduated from college, and where he shares his three stories. The first one is connecting the dots. He tells that he had taken admission in a college and he did not have an idea what he wanted to do with his life. He couldn't concentrate and he made a decision to drop out, which later he felt was the best decision in his life. He was fascinated towards calligraphy, which he felt was beautiful, artistically subtle, and in a way he found science couldn't capture. He never thought and dreamt of it that it would have a practical application in his life. But after 10 years later, when he designed his first Macintosh computer, it all came back to him. If he hadn't dropped out from his college and joined calligraphy classes, he wouldn't have designed his own computer. You can't connect the dots looking forward, rather, connect them looking backwards. You need to trust that the dots would connect in future. You need to trust in your gut, your destiny, and life as well. His second story is about love and loss. He tells about his story when he was 20 and he worked in his parents' garage. And in 10 years, the company Apple grew into 2 billion with 4,000 employees. His finest creation, that was Macintosh, was released when he was 30. After some years, he was fired from the company, and he was fired because he was fired, he had his entire focus was gone, and he felt devastated. He was shocked, but he did not give up. He switched on and he started his own company. He invented Next and Pixar. The only thing that convinced him was he did what he loved and says the only way to do great work is to love what you do. His third story is about death. About a year later, he was diagnosed with cancer in the pancreas, and the doctor was certain about his death, that he would not survive longer than 3 to 6 months. He lived with the diagnosis all the day and later he decided to have a surgery of the pancreas and he is now completely well. Students, don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice, and most important is to follow your heart. Don't be trapped by dogma or the beliefs what others think of you. Always think whatever happens, it happens for your good, and there is something better that is waiting for you. The lesson learnt is Do what you love and love whatever you do. Be optimistic. Keep trying till you succeed. Whatever happens, happens for the good. And life is what you make it. To conclude the chapter, John William Gardner's famous quote says, "Excellence is doing ordinary things extraordinarily well." The Greek philosopher Plato says, "Excellence is not a gift, it is a skill that takes practice." We do not act rightly because we are excellent. In fact, we have excellence by acting rightly. Students, I hope you have understood the biography of Steve Jobs and what made him a successful person. And I want you all to read the chapter thoroughly and ask me any doubts if you have. Thank you, students, for watching the video. Have a great day ahead.